What exactly are headless CMSs and why are they useful? In a traditional CMS, you have an all-in-one system. You have an editing surface where you can create your content. Then you have the database, which is like a body of this robot in this example. And then, you have the head. The head is the integrated interface that visitors see when they visit your website. The problem with this setup is that it limits your ability to customize and use different technologies. That's where headless CMSs come in. You still have an authoring interface and a database or the backend, but you don't have the integrated head. Instead, you can choose different heads for your content. For example, you can have a Ruby head for your website and an Alexa skill head for voice interfaces. This way, you can easily adapt your content to new technologies without having to reauthor it. The key is to properly model your content, so it can be used across different platforms and technologies. In short, headless CMSs give you the flexibility to choose and use different heads as needed.